Hello and welcome back to my classroom. In today's class, we will learn days of the week, months of the year, and names of animals. So let's begin with days of the week. Les jours de la semaine. Lundi, Monday. Mardi, Tuesday. Mercredi, Wednesday. Jeudi, Thursday. Vendredi, Friday. Samedi, Saturday. And Dimanche, Sunday. The months of the year. Les mois de l'année. Janvier, January. Février, February. Mars, March. Avril, April. May, May. Juin, June. Juillet, July. Août, August. Septembre, September. Octobre, October. November, November. And December, December. Now, the names of animals. Les animaux. We begin with tigre, tiger. Lion, lion. Wow! Chaise, the monkey. Chien, dog. Giraffe, giraffe. Chat, cat. Vache, cow. Lapin, rabbit. Gibré, zebra. And the last one, rat. Hope you liked today's session. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, then please share, like and subscribe. So meet you in my next class. Till then, bye-bye.